In this tutorial, we will be learning how to make a basket out of used beverage cartons. You will need a pair of scissors, a penknife, double-sided tape, a ruler, a mathematical compass, and 6 1-liter milk or juice cartons. Rinse the cartons, open them, and cut off the top and bottom to get a piece of cardboard carton of about 19 cm tall. Work with a consistent thickness, so trim away parts of the carton that are too thick. Cut 11 2.2 cm strips from the carton. Cut 2 circles, one of radius 6 cm and the other of radius 6.3 cm. Now, take the strips and fold them in half. Then fold each end to the center. Each piece will now have 2 legs. Taking 2 pieces, slot the legs through to interlock with each other as shown. Take a third piece and insert it in the opposite direction. Keep doing this until there are 24 interlocking pieces forming a pattern. Taking an unfolded strip, fold it in half with the plain side facing out. Slot it through one end of the pattern. Slot it through the other end of the pattern to make a ring. Fold it backwards. And trim off the ends of the strip. Insert it into a square to hide it. Repeat this process to make another ring. Align the 2 rings on top of each other. Weave a strip diagonally through the squares on each ring, connecting them. Repeat the weaving across the whole basket, leaving the ends of the strips untouched. Repeat the weaving on the inside of the basket. Trim off the excess on the strips to hide them. Trim off the top of the strips to form triangles that make a straight line. Working with this side up, fold the strips on the outside towards the middle. This will make the base of the basket. Now, working on the top of the basket, trim off the strips leaving 1.5 cm. Tuck the 1.5 cm in between the woven pieces. Use double-sided tape on the circles to form the base of the basket. And your UBC basket is done.